One thunderstorm and nature gives us one of the most awaited delicacies of monsoon. Today I am making thunder mushrooms curry, a seasonal GSB Konkani favorite that we eagerly wait for every year. These mushrooms are a true monsoon specialty and are available only for a short season. I love serving this with string hoppers, but it tastes equally delicious with dosa, idli or even steamed rice. Let's start the preparation. Before cooking, these tender mushrooms need to be cleaned really well as they are usually covered with lot of mud. While peeling, keep an eye out for any mushrooms that are black inside. Those should be discarded as they are gone bad. Luckily this time I hardly found any spoiled ones, so I am able to use almost the entire batch. Once they are very tender, peel them gently without damaging the mushrooms. It took me almost 1 hour to peel them. Now let's start the preparation. In a cooking pan, add the field marrow. I've already cleaned and cubed it. I have removed the peel so you can also retain the peel. Add salt to taste and enough water for cooking the field marrow, and also add 1 chopped onion. Let it cook until the field marrow is 70% done. Now add the cleaned thunder mushrooms and continue cooking while we prepare the masala. Please do like, follow and subscribe to my channel for all the updates on my upcoming recipes. For the masala, grind together 1 cup grated coconut, 5 dried red chillies, half teaspoon of turmeric powder. I have already fried the red chillies in little oil, a very little or a small piece of tamarind. The tamarind is optional since the field marrow has a mild tangy taste. Add the freshly ground masala to the cooked vegetables and mushroom. Let the curry simmer for few minutes so that all flavors blend beautifully. Please do write to me in comments if you have tried these thunder mushrooms or any stories you have connecting to these. I would like to know them. Finally, prepare a simple tempering by frying sliced onions in coconut oil until golden brown. Pour it over the curry, give it a gentle mix, and your delicious thunder mushroom curry is ready to serve. Enjoy this seasonal delicacy hot with string hoppers, dosa, idli or steamed rice, and savor the authentic taste of monsoon. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. For recipe in Konkani, please check my YouTube channel, Sambardo, and Facebook page. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for continuous notifications on my upcoming recipes. Thank you so much friends for watching this video. See you soon in my next video. Until we meet next time, I wish you happy cooking. Bye.